welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to show you how to make camarones a la diabla. Spicy shrimp in this amazing spicy sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have black pepper, garlic, salt, 2 chipotle chilies, chicken bouillon. And here I have my shrimp, jumbo size shrimp. Here I have my pasilla chili pods, my garlic cloves, onion, chile de árbol, and 4 tomatoes. This is everything you need to make this amazing camarones a la diabla. I first want to start with the shrimp. Of course, the shrimp has been deveined, it's been cleaned, and now I'm ready to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and salt to taste. I'm going to mix it really good, making sure that everything is coated with these spices, and then we're going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with my onion, put it aside. I want to continue waking up these garlic cloves, just like that. And here I have my tomatoes. Look how easy it is to make this amazing camarones a la diabla. You're really going to love them. I have 5 pasilla chili pods, about 8 chile de árbol. Of course, chile de árbol is to taste. I have the 2 chipotles and the chicken bouillon. Look at this. All my ingredients are ready. You could omit the chile de árbol or just add 2 or 3. But the chile pasilla is going to give it such a smoky and delicious flavor to this camarones a la diabla. Well, here on the pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The first thing I'm going to add is the onion. Then there goes the garlic, so that it sautés and starts getting all that oil, infusing the oil, the pasilla chili pods, and then of course the chile de árbol. We're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes so that everything incorporates, and when you start seeing the oil getting a little bit red, that means that the chile pasilla is getting cooked. You're going to see the chile pasilla is going to change colors, and that's normal. It's going to get a light red. That's when you know that this is almost ready. You're waking up those chile pasillas, those amazing smoky flavors. Now I'm adding my tomatoes. I'm going to add the tomato, mix it very well, and then I'm ready to add some water. 2 cups of water. I am going to add it. I am cooking this in medium heat. Adding the water, reducing the heat to low so that this gets nice and mushy. The pasilla chili pods get really hydrated. The tomato starts getting mushy. Of course, I'm going to add my 2 extra chilies on the top. I'm going to add my chicken bouillon, and I'm just going to mix away. The chipotle chilies really give this sauce such a delicious and amazing flavor. Remember, we are cooking it in low heat. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover it and let it simmer slowly so that all those ingredients really marry to each other. The other half of onion, I'm going to start slicing nice and thin. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing camarones a la diabla, you're going to fall in love with this amazing recipe. If you got to this part of the video and you love the ingredients, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look at this. I have the shrimp on the bottom. I have the onion on the top, and then this is done. This is going to be so delicious. The shrimp is really absorbing the spices. And now let's see how the tomatoes and the chile pasilla are. Everything is nice and mushy. The chile pasilla is really hydrated. And now I'm ready to add it to my blender. I'm going to add everything into the blender, even the liquid. Remember, we added 2 cups of water into this. So this is all hydrated. We want to make sure that we use the same water because we added the chicken bouillon into it. So here I'm going to add all the water, and then we're ready to go blend. Blend away for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure that there's no lumps, no pieces of chile pasilla, because we're not going to strain this sauce. We're going to add it just as is. So make sure that you blend it very well for a couple minutes. Look at this. The aroma that is releasing, just amazing. Like I said, you could omit a little bit of the chiles de árbol. And now in the same pan, I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm just going to add my onion. I want the onion to really infuse the oil, waking up the onion, getting it nice and tender and moist. And when you start smelling the aroma of the onion, then it's time to add the sauce. And it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, we are cooking everything in medium low or low heat. I'm adding the sauce nice and thick. I'm going to reduce to very low heat. I want the sauce to really absorb the flavors of the onion. So I'm going to reduce the heat, very low heat. Cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes, but I'm going to cover it so the sauce thickens up. The sauce absorbs the flavor of the onion. So let's cover it. Let's cover it. After 4 to 5 minutes, it's simmering in very low heat. I am going to add my shrimp. Oh my gosh, this is almost done. This is almost done and my mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. It's going to cook for another 2 more minutes. Remember that the shrimp really cooks really fast and you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You just want your shrimp to release the flavor, turn nice and pink, and then you're ready to enjoy. Well, here I'm going to cover it. Remember, I am cooking in low heat. Cover for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, look at this, my friends. This looks amazing and it smells delicious. Well, then this is done. I am ready to plate it. So let's go and let's put it in a plate. Look at this. If you got to this part of the video, you love it, you're gonna make it, leave me a thumbs up and share this video. Remember, leave your comments. I really love enjoying reading your comments. Well, here I'm gonna add the shrimp. Of course, I'm gonna add some green onion right on the top to give it that amazing look. And I am ready to taste you. I am completely done with this amazing camarones a la diabla. Spicy, delicious shrimp. Look at this with tortilla. So delicious. Amazing. Let me tell you, it's nice and spicy, but the shrimp is really fluffy, really moist, really delicious. I wish, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.